What are these?
You have just activated a gadget.
Have I?
To command a gadget, hold down the triangle button and select wait, follow, attack, enter.
I don't want it. Attack, follow. Why does swirly eyes mean follow? Okay, there's an enemy over there. Enter it. Go and find its entrance. Go then. Enter. Whatever. I hope there wasn't something up there. No, there wasn't. Oh, there's some steps. What's this? Whole lot of nothing. So what's the point? I better be able to get out here with Ratchet later, because he's tall and useful. What? I thought it had... What? What did you do? Oh. Now I haven't got any. Well, whatever this is, it's probably worth it. You're not allowed to... What did you do? That felt good. Apparently. I don't know why he laughed about that.
Uses insta-faucets and insta-drains.
What?
Using it, you can drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect anyone in the space station.
Drain and fill pools? The hell kind of puzzle game? Is that more mud? No. No, wait, why would there be mud in space anyway? Where's this going? Somewhere. Oh, that's the way back. Wait, what? Is this the way I've already been? Because I don't remember this. Oh, there's the bolt again. Yeah, it's alright, I remember now. No. Right, back to normal character land, as in good game land. Ah, this wasn't bad.
I'm back. So you are.
No, you're not.
And I found this.
That's a big peanut.
Oh, it's a what is it? A hydro displacer. Great.
A penis enlarger.
One of those, I guess.
Now I've got too many guns. So we'll get rid of the stupid taunty weapon, because it's crap. Wait, what? Oh. Whatever. Splash! It doesn't do anything, because there's nothing here for it to do anything with. More like a bike pump. Her. Wait, what? How is that her? No. Good. Stop dodging. It only increases my rage. Ooh. Right. Oh, this is just a simple little room, so I might as well go in here first. Oh no! Not again. I think there. No, yeah, maybe. No. This one isn't fun. Oh good. It was actually. Ah! Horror game. With jump scares. Which isn't a horror game. Because I do not consider jump scares horror. Oh, blah 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 blah. More stuff than you can handle. And a machine on the wall that looks breakable, but it isn't. Don't spray me. Not that smelly. Oh, look at this platforming expertise. Oh, I'm so good. Oh, what was the point? Now I've got to go back. So skill. Oh, almost. No! It's like I timed it just anti-perfectly. Go! Oh. Tart face. Oh, what? Whatever. I'm not even gonna kill everything. This game needs more checkpoints. No, I don't care about your trap. Bye. Bye. Urgh. That's how you do it. Blub blub blub. Oh, I need this health for a stupid bit. Oh, forgot about that. It's alright, I'll be able to do this with a bit of timing. Hop. Yeah, look at that. I think that's my trouble. I don't suck at games. I just tend to rush. And not try hard enough. Alternatively, things jump out unexpectedly and kill you. I mean, how was I supposed to know that was going to happen? It's really stupid. God! Die thing. Oh, that's not a gun. God, look what you've done now. Oh, really? Oh, for fuck's sake. Don't use fire on them. Oh. Speed run. Speed run. Speed run. Oh! Don't speed run. Oh. Leap into death. it's nice that this gun is semi-homing. It's pretty handy. Right. This time it'll be just fine. No, okay, good. Almost forgot. Ooh. Right, I'm ready for him. Oh, you're already out. Oh. Whoop. Aren't you gonna come out? Come on. I don't need another cutscene, I know what it does. Blimey. Trapezoid! I'm almost out of ammo. It's not good.